Alexa na.
We've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years, you never let me down. You turned my life around. Sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I love the life we made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear to everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so, but truth is it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Hi everyone, good afternoon. Thank you, viewers. Through the years, when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt. We'd always work things out. I learned what life's about by loving you through the years. Good afternoon po sa mga viewers. Thank you po agad sa mga gift nyo. Through the years, you never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You kiss my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Happy Sunday everyone! First time ko mag-live sa TikTok. Usually kasi Facebook ako. So pasensya na kayo. Ano yan? May tutor ako kasi hindi ko alam yung mga i-click ko na button. Ay, may diamond na ako. Thank you po! Kanta-kanta muna tayo kasi bukas back to work na. So, di na ulit ang makakakanta ng matagal. There's No Easy Way by James Ingram. Pang lalaki to pero bet na bet ko itong kantahin. Pero hindi ko pa to alam lahat. I held her close to me, 'cause I know she breaks so easily. And then I told her, no matter how I tried to console her, she just do the best she could. But there are times the best is no damn good. And no matter how you try to be kind, there's always still a part of you you leave behind. When it falls apart, there's no easy way to break somebody's heart. Wait, thank you, Sandra ng Diamond, ha? Hindi pa kita makita, wala akong mata ko eh. And told her she'd be fine, though we both knew she was just a lie. Diba? Mali pa the lyrics. Had to do, 'cause it said anything to help me get through it. Then she reached out for my hand, and her single touch was more than I could stand. Turn away, 'cause I knew all I heard was she was feeling, I was feeling too. 'Cause it falls apart, there's no easy way to break somebody's heart. Alam mo, mag-i-enjoy ako mag-live dito. Viewers at saka sa nagbigay ng gift. Thank you. Sino? Ken, thank you. Ikaw pala yan. Treat like a friend. Diba nawala na ako? She acted like a lady to the end. Oh, I thought that she'd break down, and she smiled at me and never made a sound. And I guess she understood in her way, 'cause her silence told me everything she could not say. When she falls apart, there's just no easy, mali. There's just no easy way. There's just no easy way to break somebody's heart. Sandali na lang po. Malapit ng matapos. Ito medyo mahirap pagpasensyahan nyo na. Masarap pala mag-live dito, mas maraming viewer. OPM comedy. muli ang mga oras natin nagkaraan. Bakit nagkaganito? Naglaho na ba ang pag-ibig mo? Sana maulit muli. Sana bigyan ng pansin ang hilig ko. Kahapon bukas ngayon, tanging wala ng ibang mahal. Kung kaya kong iwanan ka, di na sana aasa pa. Kung kaya kong umiwas na, di na sana lalapit pa. Kung kaya ko sana. Ay, wala pa pala. Excited. Ibalik ang kahapon, sandaling hindi mapapatayan. Huwag sana natin itapon pagmamahal na tapat. Kung ako'y nagkamaling minsan, di na ba mapagbibigyan? O giliw mo ang nais ko. Kung kaya kong iwanan ka, di na sana aasa pa. Kung kaya kong umiwas na, di na sana lalapit pa. Kung kaya ko sana. O giliw, o giliw. Hello po. Thank you sa views. Thank you sa gifts. Tsaka sa diamonds. Diamonds. Madaming diamonds. Kay hirap pala umibig sa di tamang panahon. Kung bakit ngayon ko lang natagpuan ang isang katulad mo. di tamang panahon kung bakit ngayon ko lang natagpuan ang isang katulad mo. Sana Jay, bukas na lang kita mamahalin, sabay sa paglaya ng ating mga puso. Bukas na lang kita bawat ikot ating buhay, may oras kailangan maghiwalay. Puso'y ikaw lang ang mahalin. Thank you po. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga viewers. Thank you, thank you.